Hey everyone, if you're trying to make money from your content in 2026, you've probably heard about Google Adsense and Admob. But here's the thing, choosing the wrong one could cost you thousands in lost revenue. Today, I'm breaking down the real differences between these two platforms, showing you actual CPM numbers and telling you exactly which one you should use based on what you're building. Quick request, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. This channel is all about helping you maximize your online revenue, and I drop videos like this every week. Overview. Let's get this straight from the start. Adsense is for websites. Admob is for mobile apps, period. Adsense lets you monetize blogs, news sites, forums, basically any web-based content. You pay some code, Google shows relevant ads to your visitors, and you earn money when people click or view those ads. Admob? That's Google's platform, specifically designed for mobile app developers. It works on both Android and iOS, and it's built to handle the unique challenges of in-app advertising like different screen sizes, user behavior, and mobile-specific ad formats. But the platform difference is just the beginning. Let's dig into what really matters. Revenue models and CPM rates. The money talk. Here's where it gets interesting. Both platforms use CPM and CPC models, but the numbers are very different. Adsense CPM rates typically range from $5 to $10 RPM for quality websites with good content. If you're targeting Tier 1 countries like the US, Canada, or UK, you could see RPMs of $10 or higher, especially in high-value niches like finance or technology. Admob CPM rates are more variable, ranging from $0.20 to $10 per 1,000 impressions, depending on user location. But here's the crucial detail. Rewarded video ads on Admob can earn $10 to $50 per 1,000 impressions. That's significantly higher than most AdSense formats. The catch? Geography matters massively. A US-based app user is worth 5 to 10 times more than a user from a Tier 3 country. Ad formats. Different tools for different jobs. AdSense offers standard web formats, display banners, text ads, responsive ads, and in-article ads. They're effective, but they're limited by web browser constraints. Admob gives you mobile native formats that AdSense simply can't match. Banner ads, the basics. Interstitial ads, full-screen ads between content transitions that typically earn $4 to $6 eCPM and up to $10 to 20 inches Tier 1 markets. Rewarded video ads. Users watch an ad to unlock content or rewards. These have the highest eCPM, often $10.50, because users actually choose to engage with them. Native ads. Ads that blend into your app's design. App open ads, monetize those loading screens. The rewarded video format alone is a game changer for apps, especially games. Users don't mind watching a 30-second video if they get coins, extra lives, or premium features in return. Mediation and demand sources. This is critical. Here's something most people don't talk about. Admob supports mediation, Adsense doesn't. What's mediation? It's the ability to connect to multiple ad networks simultaneously. Admob can pull ads from Google's network and third-party networks like Facebook Audience Network, Unity Ads, and others. The platform automatically shows you the highest paying ad available at any moment. Adsense, you're locked into Google's demand only. No competition means potentially lower CPMs. Admob's mediation can increase your revenue by 30-50% compared to using Google Ads alone. That's real money. Setup and technical requirements. Adsense is dead simple. Create an account, get approved, paste code into your website. You don't need to be a developer. Admob requires SDK integration. You need to add Google's mobile ads SDK to your app code. If you're not a developer, you'll need one. It's more technical, but it also gives you far more control over ad placement, frequency capping, and user targeting. Adsense has higher approval standards. For websites, you need quality content and adherence to strict policies. Admob is actually easier to get approved, with no minimum traffic requirements. You can start showing ads immediately after integration. Analytics and optimization. Both platforms integrate with Google Analytics, but Admob takes it further with Firebase integration. This means you can segment users by behavior, big spenders versus ad viewers. Balance in-app purchases with ad revenue. Use smart segmentation to show ads only to users who won't make purchases. Track user lifetime value alongside ad revenue. AdSense gives you standard web analytics impressions, clicks, CTR, RPM. It's good, but not as sophisticated as Admob's mobile-first insights. Payment and revenue share. Both platforms pay through Google's payment system with a $100 minimum threshold. Payments go out around the 21st of each month. The revenue split is interesting. AdSense publishers typically receive 68% of ad revenue, with Google keeping 32%. Admob follows a similar model, with publishers receiving approximately 60% of the revenue generated, depending on the ad format and network. Performance and fill rates. Adsense generally has excellent fill rates because it's backed by Google's massive display network with 2 million plus advertisers. Admob's fill rates vary more, especially in lower tier countries. However, with mediation enabled, you can maintain 95% plus fill rates by pulling from multiple networks. One crucial difference, Admob lets you control ad frequency. You can set rules like don't show interstitials more than once every 3 minutes to maintain good user experience. Adsense doesn't give you that granular control. Alright, bottom line time. Choose Adsense if you have a website, blog, or any web-based content. You want simple setup with minimal technical skills. Your traffic is primarily from Tier 1 countries. You're focused on content like articles, tutorials, or entertainment. Choose Admob if you're building a mobile app, Android or iOS. You want access to mobile native ad formats, especially rewarded videos. You need mediation to maximize revenue from multiple ad networks. You want advanced analytics with Firebase integration. You're willing to handle SDK integration and more technical setup. And here's the pro move. If you have both a website and a mobile app for your brand, use both. They're designed for different platforms and you can run them simultaneously under the same Google account. Many successful publishers do exactly this. The real question isn't which is better, it's which one matches your platform. A website needs Adsense. A mobile app needs Admob. Use the right tool for the job. Optimize your placements, focus on quality traffic from high-value countries, and you'll maximize your revenue. That's the complete breakdown of Adsense versus Admob in 2026. If this helped you make a decision, smash that like button and drop a comment telling me which platform you're going with. Links reminder, I've put helpful resources in the description below, including setup guides for both platforms and tips to increase your CPM rates. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this on monetization strategies, ad optimization, and growing your online income. I'll see you in the next video.